Gated community, 11 acres venture, total 94 villas, ready to occupy. This villa 313 square yards, 313, 4100 SFT, 4100 SFT, 4 bedroom, inside lift, 2 car parking, ready to occupy. We are going inside, west facing. This is hall. This is all. This is model house for the entire project. This is a hall, well-laying sit out and TV unit. This is dining area and sit out area also. Dining area, sit out, and backside garden. Their garden is there, and this is kitchen. Inside kitchen, and that is wash area. That side wash area. Inside lift also. Inside lift is there, and here ground floor, guest bedroom, common bedroom. Good interior design, sofa sets, and this is toilet, western toilet. Western toilet is there. Guest bedroom. This is ground area. This is ground floor area. Lift, inside lift. This is the entrance. This is hall, sit out area, and this is dining area once again. Kitchen area, guest bedroom, and we are going staircase, first floor. Again first floor, sit out area, and master bedroom, wooden floor, chairs, wooden work, fall ceiling. Here dressing area, western toilet, big one, big bathroom, western style, fall ceiling lights, everything is beautiful, lighting. That is bathroom and dressing area. We can make it out woodwork there. In first floor hall area, sit out area, and first floor also lift. Another bedroom. This is another bedroom and balcony. Very good view, and attached western toilet. Inside view, big bedrooms, and we here make it out wooden work, cupboards, dressing area. Big hall, we can sit out, and we are going second floor. Here second floor hall. This is a hall. Here we can make it out home theater, and another bedroom, fourth bedroom. Beautiful view, ventilation. Attached western toilet, fourth bedroom also. Fall ceiling completed. Again here we can make it out cupboard, shelves for dressing area. Here lift is there. We are coming with the terrace. We're coming here terrace area. Inside the view, outside view is villas. Total 11 acres, 94 villas. All are ready to occupy. Occupation is done near Kokatpalli, Vivekananda Nagar, gated community villas project. Ready to occupy. How inside view villas. These are east facing opposite villas. How you can see villas. Like this villa also. 313 square yards, 4,100 SFT. Ready to occupy. Inside 40-50 feet roads. How gardening is there. Very beautiful colony. This is outlook ventilation for this villa. Again we are going down line. This is second floor, 1 bedroom, and here staircase. Very good quality construction, high-end specifications. This is model villa. How customer will construct. They made their interior design. And this is master bedroom. Second one. Inside lift. This is third bedroom. And ground floor, another bedroom. We are going ground floor. There 1 bedroom is there. Total 94 villas, only 3 are available. Inside the dining area. This is ground floor, first bedroom. Total 4 bedrooms, ready to occupy. 313 square yards, 4,100 SFT, ready to occupy villa. Inside lift, very beautiful villa. Home theater, security, swimming pool, clubhouse, gym, everything. Within the city, Kokatpalli. Again, we are come up with outside. Same, from starting to ending. This is the inside view. Gated community villa project, high-end villas, 4.5 CR, including all, excluding registration and car pass fund.